start by showing you the manual. It's KV107. Just a quick flick through, show you what we got. Okay, and there's the beast. This here, it's KV107, what you've probably seen in the other videos. Tape measure from rotor to rotor, you're looking at 6 foot once they're all spinning round, so you've got a 6 foot lump of machinery in the air. Fuselage comes out at about a metre. I'll just spin the blades round, you'll see, yes, they are counter rotating. Let's get them going the correct way. Counter rotating blades, they're intermeshed, they won't hit each other as long as you've got it set up right. What we'll do now is we'll take the rotors off, and what I've done is I've colour coded the linkage so you can't get the rotors wrong when you put it back together. You shouldn't get them wrong. If you do get them wrong, then that's it, you're going to just it'll smash up into little pieces. Right, so just pop the links off. Come on, and you just lift the rotor off. And front set of blades comes off like that. I'll pop blades off there. Let's just come across. I'll get this back set off, or rear set. Just clip them off. Lovely. Right, so that's now all off. Best thing to do now, the linkage should just stay sitting up the top like that. What I normally do is just tape them up so they don't go anywhere. 4 screws holding the top of the fuselage on. To either side of the front and back, or fore and aft if you want to be pedantic. Right. Okay, right, so all the screws are off now. This is the fun part, trying to get the actual fuselage off the machine. All the way around the fuselage for the radio. Right, there you go. That's what it looks like underneath.